The year was 1968, and the Vietnam War had been raging for years. The North Vietnamese forces, under the leadership of Ho Chi Minh, were determined to shake the South's morale and gain momentum in their fight for unification. On the eve of Tet, the Vietnamese New Year, North Vietnamese and Viet Cong forces launched a massive, coordinated attack on more than 100 cities and towns across South Vietnam. The surprise attack caught the South Vietnamese and American forces off guard, leading to heavy casualties and widespread destruction. The most iconic Battle of Tet took place in the Citadel of Saigon, the capital of South Vietnam. For 5 days and nights, North Vietnamese forces battled South Vietnamese and American troops in the narrow, winding streets of the city. The fighting was fierce and brutal, with both sides refusing to back down. The Tet Offensive was a turning point in the Vietnam War. Despite the initial success of North Vietnamese forces, they were ultimately unable to hold their ground. The offensive had been costly for both sides, but the North Vietnamese forces suffered a particularly heavy loss. The Tet Offensive had a profound impact on American public opinion. The unexpected attack called into question the legitimacy of the war and the ability of the U.S. government to accurately portray the situation in Vietnam. The images of destruction and chaos that were broadcasted on television shocked and disheartened the American people, leading to a growing anti-war movement. The Tet Offensive also marked a shift in the course of the war. The North Vietnamese forces were forced to retreat from many of the cities they had captured, and the South Vietnamese forces were able to regain control of their territory. The offensive had been a costly and bloody failure for the North Vietnamese, and it marked the beginning of the end of their hopes for a quick victory. The Tet Offensive was a defining moment in the Vietnam War. It was a turning point not only for the war itself, but also for the way that the American people viewed the conflict. The offensive demonstrated the resilience and determination of the North Vietnamese forces, but it also highlighted the cost and futility of the war. The Tet Offensive was a tragic and dramatic event in history, one that continues to resonate today. More than half a century has passed since the Tet Offensive, but the lessons of this event continue to be relevant. The Tet Offensive serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of underestimating an enemy and the importance of accurately assessing the situation on the ground. It is a reminder that war is never a simple or straightforward matter, and that the consequences of military action can be far-reaching and unpredictable. The Tet Offensive remains a powerful and enduring symbol of the complexities and challenges of war, and a reminder of the sacrifices made by those who fought and died in Vietnam.